we got way too much fuel. Here's the new grill. As you can see, that chip is gone. But what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day because it's the first nice day of the year. It's about 50-ish so degrees. It's like 56, so it's really, really warm. Definitely the temperature to give her the first bath of the year. Now, it's actually coming with perfect timing. This truck will actually be in the Columbus Auto Show. I believe they call it the Columbus International Auto Show, whatever they call it. It will be in the auto show here in Columbus, Ohio. So if you guys are in the area, feel free to come by, stop, take a look at it, take pictures of it, because that will probably be the first and last show it does with this setup. My new setup is coming, and I mean, it's coming fast. So it'll be here very soon, which means my lift, my wheels, my tires, all that should be here very soon. So if you're in the area, feel free to come take a look, check it out. But this weather's coming at perfect time, so we're going to get out there, actually give this thing a touch wash, get all the haze, the grime, everything off the paint, and just really, really take care of this truck. And really give this truck the wash it's wanted for the entire winter season. So we're going to get this thing all washed up and detailed just in time for the detailer to come by and re-detail it tomorrow. But nothing's better than an extra clean truck. So we're gonna get this thing clean and washed up for the first time this year. This is gonna be a long one, boys. Why did I turn my headlights on? I don't remember doing that. But this is gonna be a long and thorough wash. Obviously, I don't think I need my paint. So everything I have in here, total interior, my fabric guard, all winners, ceramic detailer. I'm probably gonna take this to show with me, actually. One Amazon foam cannon, another Amazon foam cannon. Aha, my ceramic shampoo. Looks like I lost my cap here on the so we're gonna use the ceramic shampoo today because some of the ceramic properties of the ceramic coating itself are actually in the shampoo. So definitely gonna reincorporate some of the ceramic properties into the wash. So pretty much we got everything we need. I'm actually gonna go wash this bucket out and gonna fill up a foam cannon at the sink. And I know a lot of you are gonna say that the two bucket wash. I get that, I understand that, but I only have one bucket at my disposal right now, so we're gonna have to make do with what we have. So we're gonna be using this and this foam cannon. If you guys don't know the drill by now, it's foam cannon and soap. You don't fill the foam cannon entirely up with soap because that's just a waste. All you need is a little bit at the bottom, and you're gonna fill the rest with water. So a little tip if you guys didn't know, wow, my hands look all messed up. That darn Chevy undercoating. But yeah, a little tip if you guys didn't know, because I know we all do this, we set the whole power washer up, and then we're like, dang, we didn't fill our bucket. However, if you don't connect your nozzle, this is free flowing. It's gonna send water through. I mean, it's definitely a slower rate, but you'll still be able to fill your bucket up. Switch foam cannons to the original $16 one. Yeah, this foam cannon, the newer one, I lost the top to it, so I couldn't really adjust the airflow into the bottle. But this one here, the original $16 one, giving me results like this. Okay, so a guy came up to me and started talking to me about lift kits on a Super Duty, which is absolutely fun. Love talking to people about that, but the soap kind of dried in the meantime. So we're going to run the foam can over this one more time, and then I'm going to wipe the whole truck down again, and then I'll foam it again, wipe it again, and power wash it off. we'll give you guys that close up. Just listen to this. It's like that ASMR stuff, but like truck world and car washing and car detailing. All right, now let me actually get her wiped down this time. All right, so we ran out of soap in the foam cannon, and we're also, if you could see out there, we're running out of sunlight. Wow, look at the colors in here. The Jeep, the yellow box, this orange Jeep. I also think I need to burn like half a tank of gas, because when you're at the auto show and vehicles inside the auto show, if you didn't know, they have to be underneath an eighth of a tank. It's either an eighth or a fourth, both of which I need to burn some fuel. So we're gonna take the long way home. But I'm also hungry, so. The Meguiar's wash and wax, just a bit less foamy. Still gets the job done though. Guys, look at that. That's just incredible. Oh, I'm so happy I got this thing clean. Oh, it's just so shiny. Look at this. That's awesome. Can't wait for like actual summer sunsets. Like driving this truck around on the setup I'm gonna have here soon. In like summer. It's gonna be awesome. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna pack all this stuff up, get it put away, and then we'll get out of here. But dang, just so happy I could get that clean and done, especially with the auto show coming, so that'll be good to go. So here's kind of a situation. Technically this needle should be like at that white line, and my range is like $180. So we're gonna have to do some driving. I don't want to do that much because I really don't have anywhere to go. Probably take the long way home at least. Because yeah, they literally won't let your vehicle inside unless you're like at an eighth of a tank. Just kind of like a fire safety precaution, I guess. But I mean, if I got down to 100 miles, I mean, it's gonna be close tomorrow, let me tell you that. So guys, that's one thing about like the roads I usually drive. They're always, you know, covered with people. I hardly drive back roads. So like when you actually like take the long way home and you get some back roads, using your light bar, oh, awesome. Today is the day we're taking this truck to go sit at the auto show for the weekend. However, we had a major problem and we're crunched for time. We got way too much fuel. So I'm out here right now trying to burn as much as possible. Yes, that means that means running the exhaust brake, putting drag on the motor, giving it everywhere I go. Trying to do as much as I can to burn as much fuel as possible without driving like a complete dick because I gotta burn this up. I got 160 miles, about 20 miles to the convention center, so we're gonna have to burn a little more than that. And I got like 10 minutes before we're supposed to leave, so we're a little crunched for time. I can only do so much. I also feel so bad. I mean, I guess I got the clutch to back it up, but like holding gears like this, just trying to burn the fuel. I honestly just need to get to like a quarter. guys, we're on our way down there now. I don't know if you can see, we got the little convoy behind us, but I still got way too much fuel. So hopefully, I mean, same thing with last year. I snuck in there, not my truck, but I snuck in there with a Camry with like, it was just like, I mean, it was like, it was still too much fuel, but I snuck in there. So I'm hoping that this year the person's like not checking. So I'm hoping that that's the case. You know, I'm driving in 5th gear on the highway here, trying to burn as much. We're close to downtown. There's downtown over there. I'm hoping we can sneak in. I think we'll make it. I think they just don't want full tanks of fuel in there, so they tell you an 1/8, and they know it's not going to happen. So you're probably allowed a little more. But yeah, we're cruising.
I'll show you where to go.
Okay. Just trying to figure out where we're gonna be, where our spot is. Whew. Guys, we just snuck in. Just snuck in. Look at that lime green Camaro over there. I wish we actually parked it next to that wide body, because that would have been ideal. Would have been perfect because of the purple. Yeah, no, this setup is clean. They went to go push a Mustang in here.
So we're like, hey, come see me. Like, yeah.
Well, yeah, because Performance needed this Mustang to come in here, and somebody messed it up. If any of you guys watched my SEMA video, you guys will remember this lowered F-150 I did with the exhaust, stuff like that. But here we are set up. Come check it out, guys. It's going to be locked, obviously, because this is personal vehicle. But these will be open. Come play on them. But yeah, this is gonna be since it's my personal vehicle, I'm gonna lock it. Running boards are already shut off, so I'm not gonna deal with that. Oh yeah. Here's that demon that Coughlin. Here's that demon we saw that was blown up. It's all fixed now. Carlisle Racing, they down at Coughlin, so she's back in working order. Obviously, I'll show you guys more of this stuff when I actually come, and I'll be here at the auto show. But it's just a cool little back, you know, pre-show, showing you guys what goes on. Look at all these crates of stuff they bring in. All the stuff they got to set up, so it's just cool. But like all these dealerships, all these companies, they bring all this stuff in here. It's just cool that you know, you kind of see the back and behind all this. And then there was one. So guys, my truck is down at the auto show. Ben gave me a ride home today, and yeah, it's like, it's kind of. I keep looking at my wrist, but I ain't got no watch on. It's like Tuesday, show starts Thursday. It's almost like 6 days, 5 to 6 days without the truck. That's actually like, it's not like crazy, but it's like, wow. Kind of wish I had it, but there's nothing you can really do about it. It's at the show, so that kind of sucks. It's going to even suck more if some of the packages that I'm expecting show up and my truck isn't there, so I can't work on it or put the mods on. I'm like, ugh. But yeah, guys, if you're in the Columbus area, you want to take a look at the truck. It'll be at the Columbus Auto Show. Can't miss it. Obviously, it's probably one of the only things that green there. So go ahead and take a look at it. And if you're there, and if you happen to be there, just send me a picture on Instagram, DM me it, and I might feature it on my story or something. But so guys, yeah, that's about it for today. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, shoot this video a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get that like, click subscribe. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.